Greaves Electric Mobility unveils Ampere 6th Gen scooter to target India's 1 lakh rupee segment. Greaves Electric Mobility has announced the upcoming launch of its Ampere 6th Gen electric scooter, positioned strategically as an icebreaker in India's highly competitive 1 lakh rupee scooter segment. The product is expected to be launched in FY 27 and is aimed at challenging the dominance of petrol-powered scooters in the mass market category. The 1 lakh rupee segment represents the single largest volume opportunity in India's two-wheeler market, but it continues to be led primarily by internal combustion engine (ICE) scooters. By entering this category with a performance-focused electric offering, the company is attempting to shift consumer perception from EVs being value alternatives to being practical and competitive mainstream options. Under its Ampere brand, the company is positioning the 6th Gen model as a product that directly competes with high-selling petrol scooters rather than just other entry-level EVs. This strategic positioning is significant because it indicates a move from niche EV adoption to mass-market disruption, particularly in urban and semi-urban India. One of the key differentiators highlighted is higher torque delivery compared to popular petrol scooters in the same price band. This translates into quicker acceleration, better load-carrying ability, and stronger pickup, factors that matter significantly to Indian family buyers who often use scooters for daily commuting and multi-purpose usage. Another focus area is improved gradability. Many entry-level scooters, both petrol and electric, struggle with steep flyovers or hilly terrains. The Ampere 6th Gen model is being engineered to deliver stronger hill climb performance, aiming to enhance rider confidence and expand usability across diverse geographies. Ownership economics remain central to the product narrative. While petrol scooters require ongoing fuel expenses and regular maintenance, the new electric scooter aims to reduce running costs by nearly 50%. Home charging convenience, reduced maintenance requirements, and features such as reverse mode strengthen its cost of ownership advantage. In addition to mechanical performance, the scooter is being introduced as a software-defined vehicle. It includes over-the-air update capability, AIML-enabled connectivity, and remote diagnostics features. This digital integration adds a premium layer to a segment traditionally defined by basic utility offerings. The broader strategy also reflects disciplined growth ambitions. The company has already put over 3 lakh vehicles on the road and operates through more than 400 service touchpoints across India. The expansion of product offerings within the Ampere portfolio aims to capture first-time EV buyers who are performance-conscious but price-sensitive. By directly targeting the largest selling ICE scooters in the country, Greaves Electric Mobility is attempting to redefine competition not as EV versus EV, but EV versus petrol at scale. If executed effectively, this could improve market share in the electric two-wheeler segment while accelerating EV penetration in India's most price-sensitive category. Overall, the Ampere 6th Gen electric scooter represents a strategic step towards scalable, contribution-positive growth. Rather than competing purely on affordability, the company is blending performance, technology integration, and cost efficiency to build a compelling alternative for Indian families transitioning from petrol to electric mobility. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.